Right. So let's talk about AI tools that developers have been using to develop applications with a single prompt. So these are tools that can be used to create websites, could be able to clone websites, create internal tools, and any other things you would like to develop using AI specifically. I mean, we've reached the age where knowing just English, Spanish, French, or Chinese, how to type what you ideas you have can be turned into a full-blown application. So in this episode, we'll be talking about Lovable, Bolt.new, and V0. These are the three main AI tools that can be used to develop a full-blown application if you know what you're doing. So yeah, let's start with Lovable. They're quite new, the newest kid on the block. And then let's try to build something similar with across the three platforms or across the two platforms, Bot.new and Lovable, and see the differences and what is being produced. So let's develop something similar. Let's say develop a develop a car rental website where users can return. Okay, let's try that. Copy that. Let's give it to Lovable. See what it does. All right, let's try the same with Bolt.new. The good thing about Bolt.new is it's got this button here that enhances its prompt to be more detailed and it to get to produce as much as possible um, tech stack based on what we want. It's going to enhance what we want basically. So let's click on that. Sign in. Okay, let's sign in. Before I signed in earlier. Okay. As you can see, it's trying to enhance the prompt I'm going to be giving it to do, which is quite helpful, and I can actually go through it and read what it's all about. The user is very clean design, application intuitive, responsive design, booking system. These are the internal functions of the application. It's got calendar, vehicle management system, customer features, which is like your backend integration, like your login, log out, uh, return policy, return procedures, technical requirement. This is why detailed compared to Lovable. But let's see the front end of both applications to see what we've got. So I'm going to give this a Bolt and see what it produces. So let's go back to Lovable and see what it's done so far. The good thing about Lovable as well is you can actually click on this button to see what it's actually doing in the background. If you're a developer, you can easily read what's going on. Most Lovable applications are built on Tailwind, React, and Node.js. Um, if I click exit to go back, oof, looking good so far. It's a nice hero banner. Let's go ahead. I choose us. Okay, I think that's what we've got. Let's click on browse cars. Okay, not looking bad. $20 a day. Book now. Book now. Available cars. Let's see if I click on book now, what happens? Wow. Okay. I'll pick a date. It's integrated the calendar without even me telling it to integrate calendar feature. So we can click on that. Click on a return date, which we'll then be able to use to calculate how much it will cost. See, it's done that. If I click on 28, okay, this not working at the moment. It just says daily rate $300. I think a more intuitive feature will be calculating the date of pickup to the date of return to be able to calculate the final charges. So let's click on book now. Book for February. It's quite good. It does what we want for now. One other thing I noticed it hasn't done yet is if I go to the landing page, there's no footer. There needs to be more on the landing page that it's given. So let's ask it to improve that. Testimonials and okay, let's try that. Click on that. Good thing about prompting is it gets to understand the context of what you want. So it's to give you what you're actually looking for. So let's leave Lovable for now and go back to Bolt.new. Okay, Sims is running to issue here. Need a connection. Okay, so what Lovable is doing now is I think it's trying to create the end-to-end integration. So it's trying to integrate my application to Superbase. Superbase is more or less a database for your, logging in, authentication, the management system, and everything. Bolt is actually creating a full end-to-end integration, while Lovable is done the front-end application, and I will ask it to do the back-end in the future. But right now, what we can do is we click on this connect to Superbase. Superbase is very similar to Firebase, and you could use that to integrate your end-to-end, your front-end, your back-end, and your management system. So I think that's what it's looking for. Let's discuss for now, actually, and then attempt to resolve what's going on. Okay. Similar to Lovable, you can see the code behind the scenes. You can also click on preview, which will be the front end. But it's actually debugging something at the moment. It's running through another issue at the moment. So let's give it a while to see if it can solve its own issue by itself. Okay, let's go back to Lovable for now. We'll come back to Bolt. Okay, Bolt is also going through error. You just click on try to fix by itself. The first thing you do is let the application try to fix itself. And if you are running through a loop of errors, that's when you need a technical know-how person to come in and fix the issue for you. In case you want to do that, you can click on publish and then share that link with someone that knows, React, or someone that knows software development work, and they'll help you resolve your issue. Guessing if you're a novice in development work. Okay. I don't really like what it's done. Okay. It's done that. Looking good. Looking good. Looking good. You can click on sign in, browse cars. This is just creating an MVP for me in less than 5 minutes with Lovable. Let's go back to Bolt and see what's doing. Hopefully, okay, see, trying to fix issues. Currently running this on a free account, so I need to be careful the amount of time that I prompt it. If not, it will run out of prompt and I will to come back tomorrow as being a free account holder. If not, I will have to pay to prompt them all. What maybe I prompt is asking it questions. These are the questions I'll ask in here. and submit it. Okay, hopefully it gets to deliver something that we can play around with. Let's go back to Lovable. I kind of like the design, straightforward, clean, user friendly. I understand what's going on. Back to cars, or does didn't get the Tesla Model has images. You can easily find a solution to that. Click on book now. Seems to work. It's got the product detail page correctly. It's got the you know the rental dates and the return dates, and it's got a booking now working. And if I was to integrate the sign out, sign in, and sign out, I will have to click on Superbase. So let's see what it does. Can you into let's see. Okay, leave that for now. We've got Bolt. Hopefully, Bolt has got something for us. Bolt is still coming up with issues. Okay, what's the issue? Error supervisor is required. Okay, I think it's asking me to connect to Superbase. Let's see what it does. Okay. Currently, I don't have a Superbase account, so let's go through the process and see what it does. Superbase, sign up. Can I sign up with my? Okay. Uh, okay. Sign up. Okay. Trick we're gonna use there is okay. All right. Okay, let's go back to Lovable. So what's doing at the moment? Okay. Okay, I think Lovable is also requesting I sign up to Superbase. So yeah, I think Lovable's done the job I'm looking for. I just needed something quick and easy. As a novice user of Lovable AI tool, in regards to Bolt.new, it's looking for the actual integration with Superbase, which is a bit long-winded. Um, so we'll try that another day. So there you go. I mean, this is a fairly comparison, and let me know what you guys think. Lovable, Bolt.new, what do you want to go for? Message me in the comment section, and I'll be happy to respond.